1. The selection tool lets you select, move, and resize an object or a group of objects. Click the selection tool or press V. Click an object to select it. Drag to move the selected object to a preferred location. To change the size of the object, drag the edges of its bounding box. To select multiple objects, Shift plus click objects one at a time or drag a marquee around multiple objects. 2. The direct selection tool lets you select, move, or modify specific points or path segments in a path or a shape. Click the direct selection tool or press A. Select the object to view its anchor points and path segments. Click an anchor point to select it, or Shift plus click to select multiple anchor points, path segments, or both. Drag the anchor point, handle, or path segment to change the shape of your object. 3. The group selection tool lets you select objects within groups without having to ungroup them. Click the group selection tool. Click an object within a group to select it. To select the group, click again. Click further to select groups that are part of larger groups. Each additional click selects all the objects from the next level of the hierarchy. Please like and subscribe ITMaster channel. Thanks for watching ITMaster channel.